Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for Webcop. Now what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to go over the bonuses that I'm going to give you for Webcop, and I'm going to jump inside Webcop so you can see how amazing this software is. Now the first bonus that I have is the Webcop agency upgrade. Now Webcop gives you agency access on the front end. It allows you to set up an agency as soon as you log in. Now what I've done here is I have created a full agency page so you can sell Webcop, so you can sell your services, etc. I've created a marketing pack and graphics, etc., all to go with that Webcop agency on the front end. Now I've also got for you the Webcop commercial logo. Now my team will create you a logo. You just tell us what you want your agency to be called and we will create you a custom logo for your Webcop agency. I've also got the Socio Master Agency, so this can run alongside your Webcop, and I've got done for you lead funnels, I've got done for you membership funnels, I've got the done for you SaaS site, I've got the auto content writer reseller, I've got the SaaS site builder marketing and sales package, I've got the done for you affiliate funnel, the warm-up funnel and sequence, traffic masterclass advanced video reseller, high ticket system reseller, track boost pro reseller, proven funnel formula reseller, engage reseller, Facebook ads reseller, so you can see it's a huge bonus package, high conversion formula reseller, social content publisher reseller, video marketing reseller rights. I've got the done for you eLearn Empire. Now these you can create your own video courses with. That's a really nice bonus. I've got funnel cache. Those are 3 done for you sales pages, 3 complete done for you sales funnels, all video sales letters, etc. I've got the master license leads volume 2. So that's 10 done for you lead packages, giveaways, and everything's included. The Master License Membership Site Volume 2, so that's 5 membership packages, sales pages, delivery pages, everything else. And I've also got the Master License SaaS Volume 2, so that's 3 SaaS packages with sales pages, everything else as well. And I've got Volume 1 to all those as well, so there's another 5 membership packages, another 2 SaaS packages. And as you can see, we've got all these extra bonuses as well. So it is a real big bonus package this week. So remember, if you want this, you need to purchase through my link, and in all this is included on the front end. So please remember that. Everything you see here is included on the front end of Webcop. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump inside Webcop so you see exactly what this does and exactly how you can use it with your clients, etc. So thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Hi guys, welcome back. Now here we are inside Webcop. Now when you first log into Webcop, it asks you to set up, your agency. So you do all that. Now I've already done that, but here is kind of what I put in there. So obviously you choose your agency name, agency email, phone number, agency address, etc. Then you can add in a payment link. So this is how your clients pay you. So if you can put a PayPal link in there, Stripe, PayPal, etc. So just put that in there and update. Now what you can do is you can put your service price list here. So your ADA compliance, if you want to charge $80 for that, cookie consent, privacy policy, terms and conditions, return and refund policy, disclaimer, or SSL compliance. So you can put all your price lists there, save those, and if someone came along to your agency site and say, for example, they wanted, for you to generate them a cookie consent, they just pay you through your payment link, whatever you're going to charge there. So it's really easy to do, really easy to set up. Now, as I said, part of our bonus is the Done For You logo, which we're going to create so you can see that there, and the Done For You sales page so you can resell those services. Okay, so an amazing bonus there, and it is a real easy way to set up an agency. But let me show you exactly what this does. Okay, as you can see, it says I haven't set up a payment link yet because I haven't put that in there. I've just been testing this out. Now, there's quite a few bits to this. There's a couple of sections that are not available on the front end, so I'm not going to go through those. I don't want to kind of confuse you. Now here, it says lawsuit checker. So what you can do is you can analyze a website and tell tell the client what's wrong with their website. So we come here, you can see I've run one for my online success model. So I can easily run another. So let's just jump across. Let's go for restaurants in Beverly, somewhere I'm just close to at the moment. So let's find a website. Let's jump across. Let's go with this one. Okay, so let's get the website. Come back to Webcop. So you could pretend this is one of your clients. So paste this in here, run the analysis. So you can see it's generating the report. Now this is the report that you give across to your client, so you can tell them exactly what's wrong with the site, what needs fixing, etc. So just wait till it completes. It takes about a minute to, not even that really, about a minute, 90 seconds to do. So it's very, very easy. And you can actually add the widget on a website, which I'm going to show you in a moment. So it's really easy for any potential clients to come in and do this as well. So let it finish. Okay, so you can see that it's finished. So you can see it's this one I put in. So SSL compliance, it's already done. I could already see it had a secure cert on there. So ADA compliance, you can be sued. Your site does not have ADA compliance tool. Text to speech or virtual toolbox must exist. So it's missing those two. GDPR compliance. So return and refund policy, I'm not sure it needs one of those really because it's a restaurant. Terms and conditions in there, cookie policies there, disclaimer, privacy policy, definitely needs one of those. So those are the issues with that site. So you can then go to that site and say, look, I can fix all these and I'll charge you XXX to fix those. And you can also download that report as well. So let me just quickly jump across here. So here you can see you can generate this widget. Now you can put this on your site, so any potential clients who want to analyze their site to see if it's needs fixing can come across your widget, input their URL, and they can analyze the website. So you could drive traffic to that and get potential clients through that. So really easy way to do that. Now let me show you some of the sections that are in here. As I said, this marketing, this isn't on the front end, so I'm not going to cover this. Now the generators, you've got the privacy policy. So you can generate a privacy policy here. I'm going to show you how to do just one of these in a moment. So disclaimer, cookie consent, terms and conditions, cookie widget, return and refund policy. Now you've also got the ADA compliance, SSL plagiarism, and AI right, I don't believe is in this subscription. No, it's not, so I'm not going to cover that. Plagiarism is and SSL and ADA. Now let's jump back to we'll go with privacy policy. So let's create a privacy policy. So what is the in fact what we'll do is we'll do it for this one. It's actually said it didn't have any terms and conditions, I think. So no, it's a disclaimer. Yeah, disclaimer. So I'm going to create a disclaimer for this site. So it's a business. The website URL is that. So the company name is ESTABULO. Company full address, I don't know that. I'm just going to make something. I'll just put mine in for now. Company email address, I'll just put mine in. Country, UK. Disclaimer effective date. So let's put a date in there. We'll put in for the 24th of March. Click proceed. What information does your site contain? Legal data, medical data, affiliate links, physical exercise, nutritional, copyright content. So let's say, we'll just say others. How can the user contact you? By email, by phone. Okay, so basically that's it, it's done. So then you could copy that across and give that to, this website to add there. So it's really, really easy to, you could even install it for them as well as an extra service. So they're really easy to set up and use. Let's jump back here. So you can do privacy policy, cookie consent, terms and conditions, cookie widget, return and refund policy. Then you've got the ADA, the SSL and the plagiarism. Let's jump across to plagiarism. So with plagiarism, you can check text, you can set text the image, and you can also check it against the website web page URL as well. Plus you can do video again and check it against a web page URL. So there's lots and lots in here that you could sell as an agency. It's a really nice little app. You've got your web agencies up here, you've got your subscriptions that you can see in your account, and you've got help and support over here. You can see how much you're getting paid, pending payments, all-time earnings, etc., traffic. Very, very nice script, and it's really easy to kind of start running your agency right out of the box. Okay, so thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.